In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly turn an Illustrator logo into a 3D model in Cinema 4D. We'll keep this fast and practical. You'll take a flat logo from Adobe Illustrator, bring it into Cinema 4D, and give it real depth using an extrude object. By the end, you'll have a clean 3D version of your logo with smooth, professional-looking edges that catch the light beautifully. Start by importing your Adobe Illustrator file into Cinema 4D. Use a clean vector logo saved as paths, not raster images. If you run into compatibility messages, saving the file from Illustrator as an older format can help, but the main idea is simple. Once imported, your logo appears as one or more splines in the Object Manager. Think of these splines as outlines that describe the shape of your logo. Next, create an extrude object. This is the generator that converts those 2D splines into a 3D form. In the Object Manager, drag your imported logo spline directly under the extrude so it becomes a child of the extrude. The moment you do that, you'll see your logo pop into 3D space. If it looks flat or too thin, don't worry, that's just the default. Now, adjust the extrusion depth. In the Extrude's object settings, increase the movement value to control how thick the logo becomes. A small value gives you a sleek badge look. A larger value creates a bold, chunky mark. Keep an eye on your scene scale so the thickness feels proportional to the logo's overall size. If your logo imported very large or small, you can scale the spline or the entire extrude to taste. To make the edges look polished, add caps. In the Extrude's Caps tab, enable caps for both the start and end. Switch the cap type to fillet to round the edges. Tweak the radius to control how soft the bevel is, and increase steps for a smoother curve. A subtle bevel often looks more premium because it catches highlights, while a bigger radius gives a softer, friendlier look. If you notice any shading artifacts, a few extra steps can clean that up. Take a moment to orbit around your logo and check the silhouette. If any letters or shapes look inverted, that can be due to spline direction, but in most cases, the hierarchy and caps will behave correctly once the path is properly nested under the extrude. That's it. Import, extrude, adjust thickness, and cap the edges for a professional finish. Save your scene, and you're ready to light, animate, or texture your new 3D logo.